Yo guys, what is up? Tech Revolts here. Today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing video. Haven't done one of these for a while. Let me center this. Also, sorry if there's any fan noises. My computer is on, and it is pretty loud. So, yes, today I'm doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This one is the black version. Just so I can show you guys, I am upgrading from the S9 Plus. And honestly, when I was using the phone, just looking at it in the store and stuff, I mean, just when I was feeling this phone compared to the S9, this one feels like it's from the from the future, and the S9 honestly just feels outdated just by looking at this phone. It's crazy how the bezels are and stuff. Yeah, but so I got the black version, and since this is the United States version, I believe this one has 8 gigabytes of RAM, which, why? I don't know. 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's got 128 gigabytes internal storage. The display, it's got an AMOLED, dynamic AMOLED display, which is I believe 2K display, which is 1440 by 3040, and it's 19:9 ratio with 522 pixel density, or pixels per inch. So yeah, it comes with Android Pie out of the box. And I believe, since mine is the American version, so it's gonna have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 CPU in there, and I believe the Mali G76 or the Adreno 640, one of the two. I know the US ones usually come with the Adreno one. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Um, as I said, I'm upgrading from my S10 Plus, or S9 Plus, not S10 Plus. I just picked this up. So yeah, let's do a little bit of an unboxing. So there's the actual phone. It looks like the little, this little box is stuck in here. Let me try and get this out. Does not want to come out. You can do it. There we go. There we go. Little box of stuff here. We'll check out what's in there. Other than that, this is just all empty in there. Galaxy S10 box. And here is the phone itself, which I have opened this before, but the lady asked me, do you want to set it up, take the plastic off and stuff? I was like, no, because I wanted to do this video for you guys. So here's the phone. Wow, it just looks amazing. This phone's beautiful. So yeah, we got the plastic on the back here, so we're gonna do a little peel action. Oh, that's nice. Wow. And this does also, the S10 Plus comes with the under the screen fingerprint sensor, and it looks like it has a screen protector on here too, which, should I just leave it on? No. What am I saying? Should I leave it on? Take that baby off. Free screen protector, it's plastic. Don't want that. And it looks like it's also got some plastic on the sides here too. On the side of the phone, it's also got some plastic pieces, which I'm going to take off. Come on. This stuff's really on here. And I believe this does have a SIM card. An SD card tray, which is nice, because I do have an SD card in my S9. So it'd be nice if it does, so I can just put everything straight from my S9 on that SD card in there. Looks like these are individual pieces of plastic around the whole phone. So you gotta like peel it and then peel the next one, which is a tad bit annoying. But hashtag worth. Alright. There we go. Yeah, this is the first, I was on Motorola for a while, Motorola phones. But I decided to go to Samsung again, and ever since I went back, I've just been hooked on it. Oh, sorry it's taking so long. Alright, so all the plastic is off, so let's turn it on. I'll just put it right here for now so you guys can see it. Oh, piece of plastic stuck on my finger. Okay, so here's the charger it comes with. Looks like this is a 5-volt, 2 amps travel adapter, Samsung. See right here, all specifications of that. Oh, it says adaptive fast charging, so it comes with the fast charging power brick, which is nice. That's good.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Psst, be quiet. So here's the cable. Oh, nice. USB-C cable. So USB 2.0 to USB-C. Or USB-B. Is it B or mini B? No, I believe this is B and mini B is the other one that you plug into your PlayStation 3 controller and stuff. So nice quality USB-C cable. Nice and long too. Very long cable. I say it's around 3 feet, 3-foot cable, which is nice. And looks what we got here. Oh, an adapter from USB 2.0 to USB-C. What is this here? It just says Samsung. I think this is included here for switching your stuff, or for smart switch or something like that. Or it just might be to your computer. I'm not really sure why they included this, to be completely honest with you guys. But I'm just guessing that's why. Into your ears easily. Alright, so here we go. Now we got this little booklet here. Gonna open up all this stuff in here. What is all this? So it comes out of there, and then we got a little SIM ejection tool, which I'll use in a moment here to see if it actually does have SD card slot. So looks like it's got like a little holder here. We just pull all this out here. It looks like these are just all Samsung booklets. Welcome, just the regular crap that nobody reads, honestly. Welcome booklets, all that stuff. So I'll probably just put that back in there. And here, right here, we got the SIM card tool remover. Try and get that out of there. Sorry if I keep going off screen, but I do have my tripod like right in front of me, because I don't have a fancy setup. You know, I'm just your neighborhood ScammerRevolts. It's got a SD card slot. Oh, and it does. See right there, SD card slot. Nice. That's nice. I'm really happy about that. And another thing, screw you, Apple. We still got a headphone jack. We still got a headphone jack. I was actually really surprised how much this looks, like the bottom and stuff, how much it looks like the S8 compared to the S9. See, these are both the black color variants, and you can just see how like it's like the speaker and everything. It just makes it look way different. Which I was kind of surprised that they did that. But yeah, so let me set this up here. We're just gonna go through everything. Just gonna click next, accept everything here. Next. Try to make sure that's in shot. Bring your old setup. We're gonna skip this for now. I think I'll just do that later. Skip this for now. Checking for updates. Oh, I hope it doesn't have to install an update right now. That wouldn't be very good. And then here you go, guys. You can see the hole punch camera right there. Wow, look at that. Yeah, beautiful phone. See the bezels here? Like, look at these bezels. There we go. Let me skip this real quick. Skip. Just a second. No. Device maintenance. Sure. Accept. I'm not going to do that now. Skip anyway. Review additional apps from T-Mobile. McAfee? Oh my gosh. Sure, T-Mobile. McAfee? What the fuck? Oh my gosh. I remember when I was fixing up people's computers because they were complaining it's slow. And the thing you'd always see, McAfee antivirus. The fucking biggest blow ever, but yes, I'm gonna skip out on all of that. Yeah, sure, except get out of here. All done, and there we are. Whoa, what was that? All right. So if we go here, we go to, let's go screen brightness or display. Thanks for the notification. I hate adaptive brightness, so we're gonna do that. Move it up so it's just bright enough, and the screen resolution, it always has it at full HD, but I like having it the full resolution the phone can handle. Yeah, takes more battery, but it looks beautiful. So yeah, there we go. That's the S10 Plus, and here I'm going to show you guys right next to the S9 Plus, as people like to drive by with the sirens on. No, they're going to help somebody. It's fine. Let me put that down a little bit. But yeah, so here's the phones together. Nice. So they look beautiful. The only thing is these icons are freaking huge, man. These icons are huge, but look at these bezels. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at the bezel right there. And the camera, you can't even feel it. It's like it's part of the screen. That's nice. That's really nice. The bezels are freaking insane. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and if you're looking to get an S10 for yourself, I haven't used it yet, but just based off of my first impressions, I think it looks freaking awesome. And I think I was never going to get a phone with a notch. I said I'll never do that because you know, I hate the notches, but I feel like this is way better than a notch, having the camera right there. If you open up like the calculator, having the camera punch right there instead of having like a huge notch, I think is honestly way better, because yeah, it's still on the screen, right? But it's something that you can forget about compared to the notch that literally takes up the whole middle of the screen, you know. Yeah, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it cool. I might do maybe an update video in a week or so, and just say my impressions, what I think about using this compared to using the S10. Because what you could do is you can go to navigation bar and you could turn it to gesture and hide it. Look at that. Whole screen real estate. Yeah, but other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're looking to get an S10 right now, I really do recommend it. This is so cool to be playing with the newest technology that's out right now. I know I'm a freaking nerd, guys. I'm sorry, I'm a freaking nerd and I'm into this crap. Yeah, I mean, honestly though, looking at this, it's like I can't even think about what they're gonna do for the next one. I'm guessing maybe they could somehow do it with having the camera under the screen. I don't know how the hell they would do that. But maybe having the camera under the screen, because I know there's technology that has it so you can look through the back of a TV display. So somehow incorporate that. I don't see that happening honestly anytime soon, but maybe somehow they could do that, or have it like I think Vizio or somebody else, how they have the camera come out the top. But from Samsung, I don't really expect that, so I'm not sure what they're going to do for the next one. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you found it cool. Yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.